Hi everyone, Monica Bramshy here, Product Manager for Azure Pathfinder. In this video, I wanted to do a quick demo of how Azure Pathfinder can help you identify Azure workloads in customer engagements. Being an online questionnaire, you can use it on your phone, on your tablet, on your laptop, prior or during your Azure Discovery session. Now let's start by logging in. Go to azurepathfinder.com. And for this demo, we will choose a comprehensive end-to-end digital assessment. Now, let's see how Azure can help our customer Chairs. Chairs is a medium-sized family-owned manufacturing company based out of Alabama. The entire family has been working together, the dad, the granddad as main decision makers, and the younger generation handling their IT and social presence and marketing. They've seen great success, but would like more visibility into how they're collecting data as well as using sensors on their factory floor to understand more insights on how to optimize their business and their processes. Oh, and so far they haven't backed up any of their data. They don't have a backup plan, so they definitely want to safeguard their data. Sounds like Azure can handle all of these challenges. Let's see how Pathfinder can help. So first, we're choosing the industry. It says it mid-sized company. So as we said, software development, somewhat important. Business intelligence, definitely important. Analytics as well. Data retention, important. We said mobile apps because they actually also have a storefront and an app for their customers to order their products. We'll leave SharePoint and streaming down. Of course, Linux, like every company, very important there. They have first and third party customer applications. Not for this purpose. And right now they're not leveraging IoT, but they would definitely like to start using it. So as you can see, Pathfinder starts analyzing your IT capabilities, and now it's asking questions about your business needs. So as we said, CRM is pretty important to them, right? E-commerce because of their storefront, and remote monitoring and digital marketing. Now at the top, as you're starting to fill the questionnaire, you start seeing breadcrumbs being formed to show you the progress of answering the questions. Further, Azure Pathfinder digs deeper into questions built around the digital transformation pillars, right? So let's go deeper into each. Now you can hover over each to understand your customer's maturity. In this case, I will leave them as basic. They do have some collection of data about their customers. They do have some online presence, but nothing complicated. Definitely no bots or automated services to answer frequently asked questions. Now, how they empower their employees, they're actually very dedicated to their employees. They're heavily invested in their recruitment. They leverage social media and other websites to recruit and empower their employees. They do have the policy of bring your own device, and that's why they rated them as mature in mobility. However, they're still pretty basic in productivity, collaboration, definitely limited in engagement systems. They're still working on that. They do have a VPN set up and some SharePoint, but not mature. I would also leave them pretty basic in asset management capabilities and supply chain. They do have some demand forecasting, but their logistic and delivery routes are not real-time optimized based on weather patterns. So again, pretty basic. And back office is still pretty limited. Their employees still share some workstations on the factory floor and so on. However, when it comes to transforming their products, they are pretty mature in innovation. Like I said, younger generation is involved. They do some crowdsourcing for their products, leveraging social media. They are medium in market analysis, but as far as product development and product launch, I would say still pretty limited. Now, as we go through these questions, the initial analysis of your customer's digital maturity has happened, right? So now Pathfinder is helping you understand more questions around specific workloads. So let's see. In this case, we said that human resources and CRM is pretty important, as well as other line of business applications, because they understand the value of digital transformation. So they do want those to be lifted and shifted into the cloud. So they want to create a hybrid solution. They are leveraging multiple OSs, and they already have Windows licenses. What type of data they collect? Like we said, they do have a website, a point of sale, social media, and inventory tracking. However, they would like to start with Internet of Things. Now, when it comes to big data analysis, we are again being asked deeper questions around your customer's needs. They're not yet ready for machine learning, but they do want an easier way to analyze real-time information. And like we said before, they don't have bots on their website, but they would like to invest in that. And finally, we talked about IoT being important to them, right? So it's asking us where the assets are located. Now, they're still medium size, so only in US. Definitely a solution that can scale and grow. We know how IoT can grow exponentially. And so at the end, before Azure Pathfinder formulates its recommendations, you can review the answers you've given about company background, their business, and solutions. And so this is the digital transformation map that Azure Pathfinder provides. It shows your customer clearly where it's located within the 4 core pillars and how the solutions would improve their business. At the bottom, we have the solutions that are recommended, which marry exactly with the challenges that our customer expressed in the beginning. And further down, we have additional tools for you to leverage, things like TCO Calculator and the Cloud Migration Assessment Guide. So let's see what a solution looks like. Now, the way the report is built is actually versatile, and it's designed to help you support a conversation with your BDMs as well as TDMs. At the top, it talks about efficiencies, connectivity, monitoring, something that you would talk about with your C-suite. At the bottom, you get a solution architecture framework that you can use in your IT conversations. In the middle, you have a light Azure proposal of solutions, right? If you click in each of these services, you can learn more, and it's redirecting on azure.com. Going back to the main page, you can print the results, which, as we said, we encourage you to do. View your answers, or go back to start a new assessment. And that concludes our demo. Let Azure Pathfinder guide you when doing a workload assessment with your customers and help you identify their next Azure workload. Get started today, and happy selling!